Good morning folks, and welcome to the workshop. I thought I would just give a little bit of a plug to my Vimeo channel. And the reason being is I have just finished shooting a project over a number of videos on bag making. And the bag that we're going to make on the Vimeo channel is this one, a multi-pocket day bag. It's a lovely little piece. You can adjust the size, the shape, the dimensions, the gusset system, the strap, anything you want to should you wish. I explain how to do that as we go along. All the dimensions to make this bag are included in the videos. That in particular will be the second video, template making. So if you want all the dimensions to make this bag and the instructions, join my Vimeo channel. The link is below. All the skills that you need to make this bag are on that channel. Currently there's nearly 135 videos on there, ranging from the saddle stitch to cutting, to creasing, to cutting bevels, piping, rolled edges, bound edges. It keeps going, different tool use. The particular gusset that I've used on this is a little bit different. It's a bit of a sneaky technique that I've thrown in there. There are at the moment 12 gusset making videos on the channel, 11 or 12, and this is an additional one, so that isn't included in the gusset series. I thought I'd throw something a little different, and we can see there that that looks rather smart. Also, there are videos on adding straps to bags, so it gives you different ideas. You don't have to use this one. If you like it, then by all means follow it. But if you've got ideas of your own, employ those. Folks, come along, have a look, learn how to make this bag, learn traditional skills for not a lot of money. It's a £5 a month. It's not a fat lot. You've got access to all the videos, and you've got access to all the videos all the time you're subscribed. You can't argue with that. Even if you come along for a month and have a look, if you find it's not for you, fine, unsubscribe. If you like it, stay. Videos are added every Friday. More bags will be coming along. The likelihood is the next bag might be a little simpler, but it may be lined. It's to give you options. Join me on Vimeo, learn some traditional skills with a little bit of a modern twist, and make things like this. Enjoy.